noticed that these birds that were on her property haven't been on her property lately, and she looked around and found them dead next to her house. She was gonna make a burial site for them and bury them, but she noticed after about a month and a half to 2 months that these birds have no worms, no maggots, no foul odor to them whatsoever, and she's like confused about what's going on. Look at that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. 6 of them that are dead. That's the little one that's been 3 weeks. It's been dead for 3 weeks, and again, no worms, no maggots, no foul smell. Look at that, y'all. She went to go get her son to ask her about it. Again, these birds used to be around her garden and watching like what's going on. So her son went to go put on the gloves, and this is what he found, y'all. Check this out. There you go. You got the chips. Whatever it is, that's one of the birds. And he searches all of them, and they all have this within them.
In the sky are not what we think they are.
What are you talking about?
Joe, I'll explain. When I worked for NASA some years ago, I needed advice from my boss, so I went over to his office. To my surprise, he wasn't there, as he must have been out getting coffee or something. But on his desk was a thick brown folder with the title Operation Feather Eye. This piqued my curiosity, so I took my phone out and quickly recorded a video of the contents of the folder to watch later. Joe, what I saw in that folder changed everything I think about the world. Operation Feather Eye was a NASA project formed in conjunction with government intelligence agencies. As a part of the project, NASA developed and deployed millions of mechanical birds and released them into the air. In the eyes of the birds are surveillance cameras, which are used to monitor any civil unrest and prevent potential terror attacks. The fleet of birds includes crows, blue jays, falcons, and even bald eagles. Joe, a lot of people love to go bird watching, but they don't realize that the birds are actually watching them.
These can't be real pigeons. These are the weirdest looking pigeons I've ever seen. And that one right there been right there for like 2 hours. These gotta be the mechanical birds. These are all pigeons. They malfunction because they see me.
Shining UV light on pigeon emoji bird.
What's up, TikTokers outside a while ago? I got my dog throwing his stick. We heard a bunch of coming across the street. I figured it was a bunch of locusts or bugs. I don't know, June bugs or something. They flew over our head probably 7, 8 feet. One of them hit the pole, and you could hear it on the ground. I thought it was one of them katydid things. But you tell me, why in the hell would this shit right here be flying around? Somebody please explain to me what the hell that is. And I found out as I was picking it up, if you squeeze that on the end on each end, then it's going to do it one time, then I guess it shuts it off. So somebody, for the love of God, please tell me what that is.